Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today, finally, Bitcoin has broken out the resistance of this bearish pennant. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month, how many trades were successful, and how many were unsuccessful as well. And for example, if you would like to verify any trade, then you can just click on the link and it will take you to the idea that I've posted for my members. And by the way, I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and hit the sell targets. Or you can just click on the link, it will take you to the trading view, and if you have at least a free account there, then you can just click this play button and it will show you how the price line moved up and hits the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to show you this bearish pennant that we are following since after 1st of April. And we can see that we have so many rejection by the resistance. We have rejection here, 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 and here as well. And the final last rejection was here on 16th of April, and right now, a few hours back, we have broken out the resistance of this bearish pennant. Before this, we had a fake out to the downside. Therefore, we should be very careful, because if it can fake out to the downside, then the breakout to the upside can be another fake out. But if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have a very big hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame. We are at the support of this rising wedge pattern, and if we watch, the price line is forming a higher low than previous low, and if we watch the stochastic, it is forming lower than previous low, and the RSI is also forming lower than previous low. So there is a very big hidden bullish divergence that can be another signal that the price line may start a reversal move from here. Now, for example, if we take a look at the target for this falling wedge, that will be here approximately at $47,000, and if the price line reaches the resistance here, then it will be approximately at $49,000. Now, if we switch to the weekly time frame, then we are forming higher lows, and we had two major highs like this one and this one as well. And the critical thing is that we are below this red line, that is the exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame. Right now, the value of this EMA 21 is $43,678. Now, for example, if the price line reaches this target of the falling wedge, this bearish pennant, that will be approximately at $47,000, then there will be a very high probability that the price line may also break out this EMA 21 weekly time frame resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.